To host OpenCart on AWS, follow these steps. Create an AWS account. Sign up or log into your AWS account at aws.amazon.com. Launch an EC2 instance. Navigate to EC2 in the AWS Management Console. Click on Launch Instance and select an appropriate AMI. For OpenCart, a Linux-based AMI works best. Choose an instance type and configure your instance settings. Create a security group allowing HTTP and SSH access. Connect to your EC2 instance. After the instance is running, use SSH to connect. You will need a private key created when launching the instance. Install LAMP-stack. On your EC2 instance, install Apache, MySQL, and PHP by running commands. Download and install OpenCart. Download OpenCart from opencart.org. Upload it to your server using FTP or via SSH. Extract the files and place them in the /war/www/html directory. Set up database. Create a MySQL database for OpenCart using the MySQL command line or phpMyAdmin. Configure OpenCart. Navigate your domain or IP in a browser and follow the OpenCart installation wizard to complete the setup.